Also be noted that for HDT tester, as I showed to you, there are two different pushing rod that you can easily change it here using those two screws on the brass rod and replacing with this part. Also, in that case, in HDT testing case, you will remove the aluminum base for the sample and put these 6 millimeter stir rods here and in this place, like this. The sample comes here. These two 6 millimeter stir rods would be the base for the sample. The sample will be in this direction, like this. And these two rods as a base for the sample, and it will be a pushing rod according to the dimensions according to the standard. Related to the standard, this will come in the upper face of the sample for the deflection measurement. That's also, you have a drain valve here for draining the water or silicone or the heating medium inside the steel bath. You have a alarm key here. You have displacement indicators here with the resolution of 0.01 millimeter. You have a temperature controller that is from Omron, Japan. You have a hot and cool controller. In testing section, you will put this key on hot side. It will start heating and warming up the water inside the bath. And when the test is being done, you will switch to the cool section, cool stage. It will cool down the water temperature inside the chamber, inside the bath, for the next test being start as soon as possible. Also, you have a lifter here. This is a pneumatic lifter. Whenever sample everything is ready for start testing, you will switch lifter to right, and the sample everything goes down inside the bath, and you will start the test. In the next video, I will show you how to adjust the temperature, and it's very easy to use this YCAT tester. No need to computer. It will gives you alarm for 1 millimeter displacement. That is the basic machine. For the next models, we have a computer connection using USB connection. You will have a software for measuring the temperature increase rate. You will adjust temperature increase rate using software. You will have the graphs of the temperature, graphs of the displacement. Everything will be controlled via a computer software. This is our basic model, and it's very cheap, very easy to use, and it's also conforms to the related standards, that is ISO 306. This is VSC YCAT softening temperature measurement, and it is a basic model but also conforms to the requirements of the ISO standard. In the next video, I will talk to you about the details of the standard and the testing method.